Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Let's start. Read page number 4.
Okay. But didn't we read the page number 4? Yes.
Yeah, we did 4. Half. Yeah, this is half.
Oh, so we've already read half and now we're reading half again. Okay.
Okay, let's start. Kha,
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 hatha,
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 khaba,
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 jimta,
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 tahata,
tahata,
no ha, tahata,
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 tahata.
ha comes
From the middle of the throat.
how?
Ha,
Ha,
ha, ha,
ha,
ha,
ha.
ha.
Okay. Can you see there are many types of,
Like there's like half shape like khaji.
yeah, this is a full shape kha and he is half shape kha.
Kha.
Okay.
That's
If dot is up, then it's kha.
and if the dot is down, that means it's jim. And if there's none of them, that means it's ha.
Ha.
Yeah.
Like this is a ta, and
Ta.
after this, because there is no dot,
Dot, it is ha.
it's ha.
Because then we know if it's
Okay.
ha.
Let's practice now. Your turn.
Kha, hatha,
Say again.
hatha,
Say again.
hatha,
Good.
khaba,
Say again.
khaba,
Mm.
khaba,
Mm-hmm.
jimta,
Put your finger on top and read this again.
khata,
Kha,
oh, khaba, jimta, taha, tahata,
say again.
tahata, tahata,
Okay, next. Ya jimba,
ya jimba,
ya jimba,
ya jimba,
ba khota,
ba khota,
ba khota,
ba khota,
ta
ta.
is called ta marbuta.
Because
It comes with some letter join this, okay,
oh yeah,
or come at a end of the ayah.
ayah, ola,
It's called ta marbuta.
timer puta,
Yeah, ta
timer puta,
ta
ta,
ha
ha,
ha
ha.
ha.
Ha is the bottom of the throat.
Yeah, like hi, ha,
Ha,
Hi.
it's heavy.
ha,
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 ha.
ha,
Yeah. Say again.
ha,
Ha.
ha.
This bata.
Bata.
Can you see the ta
Yeah.
join with ba?
So if we never
It's
had
called.
that
That's why it's called ta marbuta.
if we never had that two dots at the top, then it would be ha.
Yes. Okay. Now your turn.
Ya khaba.
Ya
Ya jimba.
G. Yes.
Ya, jim, ba. Ba, kha, ta. Ba, ta. Ha. Ba, ta.
Okay, next is ya, ha.
Ya, ha.
Ya, ha.
Ya, ha.
Ya, ha.
Ya, ha.
Ta, ha.
Ta, ha.
Noon, ta.
Nun, ta.
Ha.
Ha.
Ya, ha, ba.
Ya, ha, ba.
Ya, ha, ba.
Ya, ha, ba.
Your turn.
Ya, ha. Ta, ha. Nun, ya. Nun, ta.
Again.
Nun, ta. Ha. Ya, ha, ba.
Okay. Ba, ha, alif. Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, mim.
Ba, ha, mim.
Okay, can you tell me there is different type of ha?
Yeah. So there is like one like this, one like this, and this is the same, but it's the different shapes. One is like this, and this, and this.
Yeah.
And when we join them, when we join this and this, when you join this, then it makes this.
When join ha, then it would be like this. Okay, two eyes.
Okay.
Open two eyes. And when it doesn't join, it come at the end of the letter, then it would be like this. Okay, or like this. Okay, or like this. And when it joins, then this would be two eyes like this. Okay, let's start. Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, mim.
Ba, ha, mim.
Ba, ha, mim.
Ba, ha, mim.
Dal.
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 Zal.
Jim, dal.
Jim, dal.
Jim, dal.
Jim, dal.
Okay, next your turn.
Nun, ha, alif.
Is it noon? It's noon. Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, alif.
You know, ba dots down, noon up. Ba, ha, alif.
Ba, ha, alif. Ba, ha, mim. Dal. Zal. Jim, dal. Jim.
Okay, last is kha, dal.
Kha, zal.
Kha, dal.
Kha, zal.
Ra,
Ra.
za.
Za.
Jim, ra.
Jim, ra.
Jim, ra.
Jim, ra.
Kha, za.
Kha, za.
Your turn.
Kha, za.
Kha,
Kha, za.
dal. Dal.
Kha, zal.
Say again.
Kha, zal. Ra. Za. Kha, ra.
Is it kha?
Jim, ra.
If dot is up, then kha, like this. Kha, za.
Kha, za.
Say again.
Kha, za.
Okay, next inshallah with new video. Okay, take care.
Bye.
I love you.
Whoop.